Good afternoon, welcome back. Thank you so much for coming back, guys. This is Saima. If you haven't met me before, I'm a nurse from Southeast England. I work here in the UK for the past 3 years. I'm working here and I provide information about UK nursing, can you become a nurse here in the UK. I also provide interview tips, questions, answers, and how you can handle your interview in first attempt for healthcare support workers, for band 5 nurses, for band 6 nurses. Yes, that's all I do on this channel. I also keep you updated with UK visa and immigration updates, each and everything you can find on my YouTube channel. Alright, so if you haven't subscribed, please do so. In today's video, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really love your support and I am very happy to see all the good testimonies, all the good news, all the good news about you people benefiting from my interview tips and from interview questions, and you passing your interviews. It really makes me feel happy and it keeps me going. All right, in today's video I'm going to show you my winnings from Temu app, and I'm not this is not a promotional video anyway. So as you all know, I mentioned in my previous video, my baby had circumcision, so I was sitting all the time holding him in my lap and I was just using my phone. Yes, you heard me right. So I was just using my phone and I was playing these games on Temu app. They have so many games on there. They have and then what's the benefit of these games? You play the games and then you earn free gifts, and free gifts, they are really good quality. I'll show you. I've kept them all here on my bed, and I opened them just for you. I was not opening them. I kept them aside just to make a video for you guys, so you can see. And if you don't believe it, I was a bit skeptical also in the beginning. I was thinking like maybe it's a scam, or maybe they will not send me anything, or maybe they will send the toys or not really, items themselves. So anyways, I started playing and I'm addicted to it, right? Yes, I've got so many free gifts and I'm so happy for that. I'll show you in a minute my gifts. And then if you have not downloaded the app yet, if you are here in the UK, what are you waiting for? It's so much easy. You just need to share it with your friends. There's a referral program. Temu is an app. It's a referral program. It's a Chinese company and they want to open a brand. If they want to open a supermarket or market here in the UK, so this is their grand sale. Only for this sale they want to promote it. Okay, they want to do a promotion for their brand, or for their whatever they're doing for their shopping things. All right, so it's a referral program. If I share with my app, if I share Temu app with you, I will get a gift. If you share the Temu app with someone else, you will get a gift. So they also have games where you don't need a new user. You can if someone downloaded the app already in their phone, they can just accept your invitation. They can play the games and earn free gifts. Yes, and they are worth up to 100 or 400. I have made already. I don't play the cash money reward the game. I play the different one, because in the cash reward game you need to have new users, so someone should download the app. So I don't play that one. I just play the games where we don't need new users, just need the existing users. Okay, so I'm only playing Fishland and Farmland, and they are the easiest. You get 1 month to complete the game, and at the end of the month you get 2 gifts. Some people, they complete the game within a week. Some people, they complete within few days. All right, so it's totally up to you. If you spend more time on it, you can finish it quickly. If you spend less time, you can take up to 1 month. So for me, I usually for Fishland and Farmland. Yeah, so Farmland is a game where you can select two gifts, and then you play the game. You just share it with your friends, with your colleagues, or with your family, and then when they play the game, you get the gifts. All right, so you have 1 month to complete the game. Same for Fishland, you have 1 month to complete the game. So if you are in the UK, I think you can benefit from it. I was also thinking that maybe it's a scam, why they're giving free things. But to be honest, if we think about it, it's a referral program. So they want you to refer their app to your friends and colleagues. When you refer, maybe the person you're referring to will do some shopping. So it's a benefit for them, like we are promoting them, right, just for the gifts. All right, so it's not a scam. I'll show you all the things that I got so far from Temu, and if I don't like anything, I can just return it and I get a full refund. So if I select 2 gifts and then when the gifts come I don't like them, I can get the money back. Say for example, see for this bottle, it's for £5 and I got it in the gift, and if I don't like, I send it back and they give me money. All right, so when you get the money back, you can buy something else that you like. All right, so they are really good. They give you free refund, free full refund, and free when you have to send the item back, it's free also. You don't need to pay anything. So it's free, of course, right? We have so many apps in our phones, and then sometimes we don't use the apps. So if you are someone who is more on social media, you can share their app on your Facebook page or on your WhatsApp groups, and if someone download the app with your login, you get extra cash. If they play the games, you get the gifts. All right, let me show you the gifts now, and I am so happy with that, honestly. All right, so my first gift is, okay, let me show you the whole thing first. Look, 2, they are still there. I didn't unpack them. My fan, juicer. This is a makeup organizer. This one. My purse, 1, 2, 3. Bottle and a blender. And I also have these 2. I did not open them. So let me show you in detail, alright. So this is my first gift. This was the first gift. No, the first one was my baby is playing mat. I already made a video about that. Okay, so this was the second one. It's a blender with a chopper and with manual blender and a whiskey. For whisking also is there. Okay, so I will show you the things. Do they look bad quality? Look at this. All right, and this is the handle, jug, and the machine. Okay, you've seen my water bottle. It was my gift also. The next thing I'm going to show you is my purse. Look, it's not bad. It's not bad for free, right? Okay, I got a same bag, different color. I don't want to open it because otherwise I need to pack everything again. And a third bag. This one is also a bag, but with lots of, I like these ones. See here, this one with a small bag. There are 6 in there. See, small one, and this, and this. All right, I like this one, but it's like a tote bag. It's not very thick. I'm making mess, guys. The other item I have here is a citrus juice maker. This one, I also got it from Temu. And a fan for my baby. I like it. It's cute, isn't it? It's very cute. So you can put water in it and it will give you cool air. All right. And this one is my hair dryer. I didn't unpack it. I just checked it and I put it back. See, this is my hair dryer and it's really good. I used it 3 times already and I'm happy with it. There are other things also. Okay. Last but not least, this is my favorite item and it's a big makeup organizer. I hope I can take it off nicely. I opened it yesterday and then I kept it back again because we're thinking to change house, right? So I don't want to unpack things and leave them here around the house. See here. See, this is really nice. This is my makeup organizer. Okay, look how spacious it is. Look how spacious it is. I have a space in here. There are so many small drawers for the lipsticks, and on the other side also. So this is my favorite one so far. See, a big haul. There are other things that I didn't open. Those boxes, these are mine also, my boxes, and there are big other items I don't want to share. The upper one is not from this, but the bottom one is. And these two also, I didn't open them yet. I really want to stop playing because it's time consuming, and it doesn't give me time also to make YouTube videos or to do anything else. And while I was sitting with my baby, I did this, and I played almost like 3, 4, 5 times Fishland and Farmland, and these are all my winnings. It's worth it if you spend your time. I think it's worth. I also played for my baby's iPad, but it became out of stock, so I still have a credit of £100 in my Temu app, so I can buy other things. I really wanted that iPad. It was really good quality in the pictures, and I liked it. So I was thinking I will get that iPad for my baby, and he can play with it or watch the videos that some videos. I want to train him also to watch cartoons or things like that. Anyways, so my iPad didn't come. They gave me credit £100 for that, which is really good because it became out of stock eventually. All right, so guys, my point to say is, if you are here in the UK, it's not a scam. It's worth playing the game. You can still download the app and play the games and earn really good gifts. All right. Yeah, we use social media all the time, Facebook, Messenger, or Instagram. We use it all the time, right? So why not spending that time in something worth wasting time, right? So my husband says it's your waste of time, but I think it's not. It's like addiction. So I keep on playing and playing game after game after game after, and I love it. It's really nice. And I still have £100 in one Temu app. I have another account on my husband's name, and I have, I think, 30 or 40 in that also. So if you don't like something, you can send it back. All right, and if you feel like the quality is not good, you can also send it back, and they give you full refund, and sending it back is free also on your first return. Okay, so I think it's worth, and I can share my link with you. You can download the app and then play the games and get the gifts that you like. These are the things that I like and I wanted. A lot of people, they order things like suitcases and frying pans, or I also have a frying pan and hair dryer and frying pan. I put the frying pan in the kitchen already. It is really good quality frying pan, and it was £45, so I got it for free. So guys, I will put the link in the description below. I want you to get your gifts also, and I want you to get I also have a chair for my baby. It's coming. It's so cute. I'll show you when I get it. And I also have a claw machine for him, and I'm playing for that. And I also have a high chair for him that I'm playing for. Okay, so if I win, I'll show you that things also, those things also. He wants to be in the camera. All right guys, so I'll put my link in the description below. You can download the app from that link if you want to. If you don't want to download from my link, it's all right. It's up to you. You can just you can just type in you can type Temu in your Play Store and download from it. But if you use my link, it will benefit me, and I will get something for free again. All right, thank you so much guys for watching. I'll see you soon in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. This video was for fun, for free time. If you have free time, play the games, earn the gifts. All right, bye bye.